In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment in Confluence. Commenting is one of the easiest ways to collaborate with your team inside Confluence. It lets you ask questions, give feedback, and keep conversations tied directly to the work you're talking about. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, so even if you're new to Confluence, you'll feel confident by the end. First, start by selecting a page where you want to leave a comment. This might be a project overview, a task status page, a meeting notes document, or any other page your team is working on. Make sure the page is fully loaded and that you're logged in with an account that has permission to view and comment on that space. Taking a second to confirm you're on the correct page helps avoid leaving feedback in the wrong place. Once you're on the right page, scroll down toward the bottom. Under the main content, you'll see the comments section. Look for the text area or link that says add a comment, or something very similar. This is usually clearly visible, but if your window is small, you may need to scroll just a bit further to find it. Go ahead and click on that area to start writing. After clicking, a text box will appear where you can type your comment. This is where you share your thoughts. You might want to clarify a task, ask for an update, or give a quick status note. Try to be clear and specific so others can easily understand what you mean. If your comment refers to a particular section of the page, mention that part directly, like in the second paragraph or in the timeline section. You can usually format your text with basic options such as bold, italics, or lists, and in many setups, you can mention teammates using the @ symbol, followed by their name to notify them. Keeping your comment organized and concise will make it easier for everyone to follow the discussion later. When you're happy with what you've written, look for the button labeled Add Comment. Click this button to post your comment to the page. After a moment, your comment will appear below the page content, along with the rest of the conversation. From here, teammates can reply, react, or add their own input. And that's all it takes to comment in Confluence. Select a page, open the comment box, type your message, and click Add Comment to